Oh, you're a pretty boy, huh? Oh my goodness. Big boy. Yeah, we'll just keep that out for just a second.
Tell us about Wolf Hunt. Hurry up.
He's caught really good. He's not going anywhere.
Go do some tracking.
But once we let him go, he's going to pick a direction to run. Hopefully he goes up here.
Yeah.
All right? So if you want to bunch up a little bit while we're releasing him, stay in your own little pack. Because he's going to fight like a banshee once I get this noose around his neck. Okay? You want to smell it quick? What are you going to do in the fight? Anything? Yeah. I'm not teasing him. I'm just trying to get him to kind of relax a little bit because I got to get this noose around his neck. So I just want him just to chill out a little bit. Now I got a 9mm on my hip, and when we let him go, okay, settle down. Just relax. Now you don't want the head around by letting me control him first. You got to get rid of the noose, but he's on. I'm really tight, okay? Relax, buddy. You're still not totally controlled yet. I'm coming off the noose a little bit. I don't want him to. Yeah, I'm not choking him or anything yet. Let me make sure he's. I want to subdue him a little bit, but I don't want him to choke or suffocate.
There's something you need me to do.
Let me let him get his air back here a little bit. Oh, you're nervous, buddy. I know. By God, he's got that chain in his mouth. I'm not choking him yet. He's breathing just fine.
Should we try it? Go ahead. Sound good?
No, he's too loose on the noose. He can get his head out of there really easily right now. I'll try to keep his head back here a little bit.
I got to look back in the truck to cover his head.
Okay.
We're good. Go ahead.
Be real careful. Go ahead and grab the top one. His head's down pretty tight. He's got his mouth on the chain. That's good.
Kevin, grab this side.
Give her a good yank.
I'll take this one.
There you go. Good boy. All right, buddy. I need that on the other side of him. Hold on.
Kevin, get out of here.
Oh, relax.
Here to assist.
Okay, he's coming out.
Okay.
Very good. So. There you go.
Thanks a lot, Wally. Really appreciate it.
Beautiful animal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful animal.